struck me down lightning, thunder in my soul, baby. My heart beats for you only. Every word is true. I'm in love with you. Take you.
I promise that if you're sick, I will take care of you lovingly. I promise that from this day until is the 12th of never, I'll be by your side and with you all the way.
Girl, my love grows stronger each day, baby, please. Don't hurt me just because you know I forgive. Girl, my love grows stronger.
I love the way you make me laugh, how we find the silliest and simplest things to laugh about. I love the way you're engaged in everything I do, paying attention to the slightest detail, when my memory often fails. I love the way you're up for the adventure, never hesitating as we discover little things along the way. I love that you're my wordsmith, correcting and coaxing me to do better. I love that you're consistent, stressing that you always say what you mean, sometimes to my annoyance, but always with good intention. I love that you have my back, even when sometimes at first I don't think you do. It's been a long time coming, but I welcome one, and I'm up for the long haul, as I'm going to embrace it all with my babes, my fiancé, my husband, my Mr. Right.
My love grows stronger each day, baby. Please don't hurt me just because you know I forgive. My love grows stronger each day, baby. Please don't hurt me just because you know I forgive.
I want to say how happy I am that Judith did not elope and that I am around to witness what I believe to be a happy life that she long deserved.
You ain't gotta worry about a thing, girl. Heaven every time you let me in.